The GLARRY 22 beginner drum set is a true, full-size 5-piece kit, so adult players can develop proper technique on standard dimensions rather than undersized shells. Its 9-ply poplar shells deliver a surprisingly full tone with warm low end and clear mids that respond well to both light practice and more aggressive playing. The upgraded double-layer oil drum heads feel durable under the sticks, resisting dents and temperature changes better than typical entry-level single-ply heads. Stainless steel hardware with double-braced stands keeps the drums and cymbals stable, which is especially helpful for new drummers who are still learning control and balance. The kit arrives with matching cymbals, chain-driven bass pedal, bench, drumsticks, and tuning key, so you can sit down and start playing without hunting for extra pieces. For beginners, the straightforward assembly and available video guidance makes setup unintimidating, turning the focus quickly to practice and musical growth.